Everyone's always asking me, Kevin, what should I eat as a bottom to avoid bloating and to stay naturally clean down there? My go-to answer is and always will be fiber and protein. It's no secret that fiber is very popular amongst bottoms, but let me quickly explain to you why that is the case. Before I get started, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and please check out my full gay bottoming guide at the links below. Fiber. A bottom's best friend. Bottoms stress about being clean down there because we don't want any poop accidents to happen when we have receptive anal sex. That's why oftentimes we anal douche. But here's the thing, a good diet combined with your body's natural digestive processes will do most of the cleaning for you. Fiber attracts water into your stool, making it softer and easier to pass with less strain on your bowel. Basically, fiber makes your poops more whole, regular, and soft. The reason why fiber is good for bottoms is because it thoroughly collects different wastes in your body like a magnet, and also flushes them out of your system in one efficient go. This means less constipation, less bloating, and ultimately fewer rounds of anal douching. How sick is that? How much should I have? The USDA's recommended daily amount of fiber for an adult male is 38 grams. It can be tough to hit that amount every single day just from natural sources of fiber, so let's talk about the different ways that we can consume our BFF. Ways to consume. You can get your daily dose of fiber by either eating fresh fruit, vegetables, whole grains, and seeds, or by taking some fiber supplements daily. Fiber-rich foods. I did some research for you, and this is the amount of fiber that's in each of these healthy foods. I'm gonna put the photo right here. As you can see, there's a bunch of different fruits and vegetables and other foods here that contain a lot of fiber. You can pause here and screenshot it if you wanna see my full notes. Anyway, it should be easy for you to kind of incorporate some of these foods into your daily diet. These foods aren't just good for bottoms, they're good for you in general. So like, get cooking. And you know, I'll talk about like my meals later on, or I'll make that a separate video, so let me know if you are interested in that. If you still feel like you're struggling to hit 38 grams of fiber just from eating these natural foods, consider taking some fiber supplements every single day. I've personally tried Metamucil, Easy Fiber, and Pure for Men, who sent me a lovely package. So if you're watching this, Pure for Men, I love you. Let's work together again. If you don't like these brands, there are so many other brands out there, so you could just go to Target or Amazon or CVS, like literally any store, and they will have fiber supplements for you. These supplements usually come in the form of powders and capsules, so all you have to do is take them with some water and you'll be good to go. Foods to avoid. I'm usually not one to suggest avoiding any types of food because I feel like food is like one of the best parts about life. But if you're bottoming, you might want to avoid dairy foods, spicy foods, and oily and greasy foods just for that day, just so you won't have to deal with an upset stomach. Why you should still prioritize protein. Look, I know every gym bro says this every 3 fucking seconds, but protein is actually very, very important. Your body needs protein to stay healthy and work the way that it should. Protein is made up of amino acids, which act as building blocks for your body. It repairs and rebuilds your muscles. As a person, and honestly as a bottom too, I spend a lot of time working out and making sure that I'm healthy physically. Protein is crucial in maintaining that good health. Bottoming takes a lot of preparation and a lot of work, and having enough protein in your diet will give you the energy that will last you all night. How much protein should you have? According to the Dietary Reference Intake Report for Macronutrients, an adult should consume 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So an adult male should have about 56 grams of protein per day. I work out and I have my own fitness goals, so I try to hit about 150 grams of protein per day, and I weigh about 155. What are some high protein foods? Here's a list of high protein foods and how much protein they contain. Again, you can pause this to screenshot it or to just read up on it, whatever you want. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you. Again, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Check out my bottoming guide at the link below, and also please let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. If you have any video recommendations, please let me know because I want to know what you guys want to see, and I want to keep making more content for you too. Thanks again for watching. I love you, and I'll see you very soon.